Welcome to today's bullshit, broski. So I get a call from a customer complaining about his water heater and why water in his home wasn't turning hot. So I asked him if I can access his water heater inside his garage. He opened the garage up and just look at the shit I have to go through. Tripping over shit, hitting my head on hangers. So anyways, I ended up accessing the water heater and I noticed that his burner was off. So I let him know that. And I told him, hey, if you want, I can flush your water heater and reset it. So I ended up flushing it. In the meantime, I was just looking at it, how awful his plumbing system looks. It just looked old and corroded. But yeah, lucky me.